Is the battery icon on your phone too small to see clearly? You're not alone. Whether your eyesight isn't what it used to be or you just want larger, clearer status icons, there's a hidden setting that can fix it fast. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enlarge your battery icon, signal bars, and other status icons using just one setting. No apps needed. This works on most Android phones, and I'll walk you through every step right now. Let's get started. To change the icon size, we first need to unlock something called Developer Options on your phone. It's easy and safe to do. Open your settings. Scroll all the way down and tap About Phone. Now look for Build Number or Software Version. Tap it 7 times until you see a message that says, "You are now a developer." If your phone asks for your PIN or password, enter it when prompted. Now that developer mode is enabled, go back to Settings. Use the search bar at the top and type Developer Options. Tap on it to open. Inside Developer Options, scroll down until you find a section called Drawing. Tap on Smallest Width. Here you'll see a number, usually something like 360 or 392. To make icons and text bigger, enter a smaller number like 340 and tap OK. Now go back to your home screen and look at the status bar. Your battery, signal, and Wi-Fi icons are now larger and easier to read. Want to adjust further? Try any value between 300 and 400 until it looks just right for your eyes. That's it. You just learned how to enlarge the icons on your Android phone without any apps, and it only takes a minute. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss more helpful Android tips like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.